this video, we're going to show you how to be 100% sure that your data flow is flawless. QualityGate's compare test tracks the consistency and completeness of a data entity across all relevant data systems. Be sure at any time that your processes are working correctly and identify data issues before the end user. Let's create a new test and see how we do that. In this test, we'll validate that our sales data was loaded from the billing source system to the 3 data warehouse layers. Every dataset represents the updated data in each database. The compare rule receives an unlimited number of datasets as an input, which helps users to verify any data flow in the organization, alerting on missing data or discrepancies of all data entities. In this case, we'll check that the sales ETL is working correctly, that all records were loaded, and the measures were aggregated correctly. We use the compare wizard from the available rules and connect the datasets we want to compare. In this case, we are comparing datasets from the same source type, but the database type is different. The billing system is Oracle-based, and the data warehouse is based on Amazon Redshift. The compare rule enables us to select how we want to compare the data from a number of options and configurations. We'll select the aggregated data option, select the measures we want to compare, and the product ID as a grouping key that will focus us on the problematic areas in case we have any. The compare engine has an internal distribution mechanism that knows how to handle high volumes and parallel processes, and also to compare different types of sources. Let's run the test and have a look at the results. The test failed, and we see 2 main problems here that are categorized under the missing keys and the different data results sections. We have problems at 8 products out of a total of 29 grouping keys. Less than 28% of the data is not complete or consistent. Under the missing keys section, we see a problem with 2 products IDs that were not loaded from the ODS to the staging layer. This is where we operate the main logic of the ETL, so something is filtering those records out. The second problem we see is that data is not aligned for 6 additional products. For 5 of them, we see that not all the records were loaded from the ODS to the staging. In addition, we have another product that had a discrepancy in the sales amount, although all records were loaded. A quick and simple test can help us validate the correctness of processes during the entire lifecycle of the data model. QualityGates will have a significant value from development phase to QA, regression testing, and continuous production monitoring. The friendly and easy-to-use test wizard is an everyday tool for developers and QA teams. QualityGates also offers different automation solutions that can be easily implemented in your environment. Check out our tutorials or try our free demo version to learn more about QualityGate's compare wizard.